What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna open up and what's it called? Open box. So since I can't get the intro right on film, I figured I would just do it through a mic. Anyways, we're going to be opening up and taking a look on what is inside this Hart vacuum. I'm not tall enough for this. Alright, let's go step by step here. Okay, so the first thing you see when you open the box, manual. Two tubes. They're pretty nice. Nice, thick, durable plastic. And I guess everything else is inside. First off, I just want to say I really like the design of everything. Very neat, very clean. If I can figure out how to get this thing open. Okay. Locks are on the sides. There we go. Right away you can see filters attached. That's nice. Everything's just kind of wrapped up in here. Hose. Nice, thick, durable. It's got these nice plastic pieces on the ends. Oh yeah, I forgot. It comes with its own casters. 4 of them, of course, that's nice. Here are our attachments. This is the shop one that you can just pick up dust, wood chips, whatever you need. And this is the one with the squeegee and the brush on it. This one's nice. This thing rotates. Here's our, what do they call it? Our crevice tool. Handle. A bag, just one, just one bag. And here's your water sponge. Because this is a wet dry vac, which is one of the main reasons I wanted to buy it, because I've always bought wet dry vacs and you always need to vacuum the wet part when you least expect it. Anyways, let's take a closer look at these real quick. All right, first up, the sponge filter. Nothing special, feels pretty light, but it'll get the job done. You just wrap it around your regular filter and you're good to go. Next up, tubes, extension tubes. They're really nice, thick material. You get 2 of them. They do fit inside of each other and they clip in, which is nice. Whoops. Casters, they're okay. This is plastic, this is metal, and this is all plastic. I mean, I don't really plan on beating this up a lot, but it seems decently well built. The first hose attachment for what I'll probably mostly use it for is here in the shop. Seems solid. Small. I thought it would be bigger. I think it's about 6 inches. Maybe 7. Not as big as I would like, but it'll get the job done. Crevice tool. Nice and thin. With a lot of the shop vacs I've had before, this tool always seems to be not thin enough. But it's nice and it's thin. Also has the nice lock on it. This guy's cool. So this is your squeegee part. This is the rubbery part here. So for water and stuff. But it also comes with this brush attachment, which I have No idea how it works. These bristles are nice and hard on here, so I'm sure this thing does a lot of good work in getting the grime out of carpets or whatever you're going to be using to clean with it. Also comes with a nice lock thingy. Filter, seems like a decent filter. I don't know the actual rating of the filter, but it's a filter. Better than not having a filter. Hose. The hose is great. It's nice and it's really durable feeling. It's not gonna really give in too much. Nice and thick material here again on the end. The locks on the end. I like the locking system on this. So let's see, I think it's just, yeah, like this. So that locks in there real nice. It's definitely not going anywhere. Most other vacuums, you just kind of force it on there and just hope it stays on there. This, it's definitely not coming off. Something I really like. Your main filter, nice and durable. Definitely gonna last you if you take care of it. Just unscrews really easily. Looks like it's really well built. It has this nice rubbery O-ring around both sides, which is awesome, I'm sure, for a good seal there. So that's cool. Now let's take a look at the vacuum itself. So like I said, I really like the design of this. I think it looks pretty snazzy, the black and the white with a hint of blue. I think it looks sweet. Power button. This is where you can drain all of your liquids. Hose goes in here, obviously. One thing that I do find interesting is for the back, why am I blanking on what it's called? For this back piece where all the air comes out after you vacuumed it in, they don't include a filter for this. Every vacuum I've ever had always includes an external filter here just to catch that last little bit of dust that might get through. This doesn't, unless I'm missing something. Yeah, so looking at the box and looking inside the box and everything, it doesn't say that it has it. So it doesn't come with that, something that I wish it did come with. Maybe you can buy it online, I'm not sure. But all in all, I really like it. Let's get it set up real quick, turn it on, and just see how loud it is, because that is something that always bugs me. Even though I'm always wearing ear protection in my shop, these things always just seem to be so loud. Okay, got it together, filter's in, bag is in. Let's turn it on and see how it sounds. It's about as loud as I was expecting, but all in all, I'd say it's a pretty decent machine. The plastic feels a little cheap, but this thing came out to about like 70 bucks, I think. So pretty good deal. I'm excited to run it through the ringer, see how it performs. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for me. If you have bought this, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. What they could fix, what you like about it, what you dislike about it, how long you've had it, all that fun stuff. I'm really interested to hear from people who have owned this for a while. Like I said, my first impressions, I like it. I'm excited to use it. I think it's going to perform well, and I think it's going to be able to fulfill the needs that I need. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you guys want some more videos like this, because I'm more than willing to do them. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!